You are vaping, we are delivering. Hi guys, what I'm going to share with you guys today is the tiniest start kit of the iStick series from Eleaf brand. Check its package. It's a very slim box. Here you can see the picture of this start kit, and here's the basic information. Check out what's inside of the package. It contains a box mod, very tiny size, and it's very light, and an atomizer, but without the drip tip. The drip tip is below it. This is the drip tip. And this is the introduction, the specification book, the user manual, USB cable, a spare coil, and a set of O-rings. This tank features a bottom refill system and a bottom airflow system, so you don't fill the liquid into the tank from this chimney. This is a chimney, so you don't refill it from it. You press 5 times the fire button, the mod will turn on, and this is the battery indicator. And this box mod, its maximum output is 22 wattage, and it has 3 levels for choice: the low, the middle, and the high. It tastes really good, and the flavor is very light. I use the melon flavor, the watermelon, because this tank features the bottom refill system, so you don't have to worry about that you will suck the liquid into your mouth. And also it's very tiny, very compact in size, and it's really light, so it's very convenient for you to carry around. And if you are a lady vapor, this can be your best choice. It has 5 colors totally for choice, and don't forget that you can get this iStick trim start kit from Your Vaping, and use coupon code TRIM12 to save you 12%. See you next time.